since the last 8 years, every year I've done minimum 200 sessions in a year. It's the first time in the last 8 months that we have been forced not to do a session. It's my first session in the last 8 months. So I absolutely every artist, every singer, every performer or every speaker as well has a set process before a show that they go through. And I relate this to the priming process that Tony Robbins talks about. He says that you need to prime yourself every day in the morning to bring out your best performance and your best result. Similarly, as a speaker, in order to demonstrate insane energy in my sessions, I always prime myself throughout the day before my actual session, because the normal energy with which I operate, I need to operate with the 10x energy of that, so that at the program I look my best self, my most energetic self, and that's something that is appreciated by the audience that I'm addressing. So my process is that I listen to highly aggressive music before a program. Back in the day it used to be Eminem. Recently the crowd favorite Sidhu Moosewala is something that pumps up everybody's energy. So those are the kind of songs that I listen to right before a program. Think about things which used to get me aggressive, because my style, for example, is that of aggression. Different speakers have different styles. Some speakers are soft, some speakers are mellow, some speakers are very straight. For me, I like to speak with a lot of energy, and in order to get into that zone, that's the kind of process that I follow. Whenever you need to motivate the employees of an organization, the first 5 minutes of a session is the energy gauging session. This is something that I discovered that a lot of different big artists also do. For example, a very famous stand-up comedian Russell Peters, before his own act, there are some opening acts that happen before he goes and performs. So while those opening acts are happening, from the background he is watching the body language of each person who's in the front rows. So the moment he goes on the stage, everything that he speaks seems spontaneous, but over the years he has mastered that art so much that his observations also seem seamless. So I sort of follow the same approach. Before I start my session, I observe very closely how people are acting, the way they're eating their food, the way they're talking to each other, how energetic or less energetic that they are, so that my energy needs to either increase or decrease accordingly. If it's a hyper energetic group, I need to mellow down a little so that I get them balanced. If it's a very low energy group, so I need to operate and activate my energy accordingly so that they come to a level where they feel more open. And I also feel that the first 10-15 minutes, like I mentioned, are the most important and the critical part of the program, because the way you set the context, the way you sell the idea to the people is how they will choose to interact and they will choose to react. If you don't sell that level of seriousness and you don't take that buy-in from people, yet at the same time you don't open them up enough, it would feel as if they're being forced to do something, and you have failed in the first 10 minutes of the session itself. So that's the reason it is important that you sell the right context and you set the right tone for a session, and then people start opening up and then they start doing what do you want them to do, because it's all about the art of influencing people and the art of making them do what they don't think so that they will do it. I get a lot of times where CEOs of an organization tell me that I never thought that my people would operate and act like that, and I don't feel that as a surprise, because I always say this, that everybody has that spark in them. All you need is the right kind of fire to bring it out, and everybody starts operating like that. So you just need to bring it out, set the right context, and people will do what you want them to do. Going to a 5-star hotel after 7 months of Corona, doing my first event post-lockdown. Can't even express the feeling. Actually, what people don't realize is that there are these small touch points which makes you who you are. Those small interactions that you have with almost anybody. Whatever you do in your work, maybe that would be an interaction with the Sutta guy or somebody, that creates your perception and your personality and makes you more confident. So excited, guys. Let's see how it goes.
Okay guys, I'm absolutely excited for my motivation talk for today. We have reached the venue already. I'm currently outdoors. Where you see over there, that's where we have to go to do our session. The session will last for about 90 minutes or so, post which people will be extremely energetic to go on to achieve their targets, and I'm absolutely excited. Let's see how it goes. Perfect. So guys, I've been told that this is one of the best teams in the real estate sector in the country, and when you have a tag like that, everybody needs to demonstrate a lot of energy. So can we do this one more time, guys? Good evening. Perfect, excellent. So guys, my name is Utsav Shukla. I represent an organization called Team Builders India. We started out in 2016 in a 4 years time span. We were awarded the best company in India for 3 consecutive years. And the reason that happened is because of A, we are very passionate about what we do, which is to build strong teams. Are we here to become a better team? Yes or no? Yes. Perfect, that's number 1. Number 2, our sessions are known to be very high on energy. Do we have the energy, guys? Yes. Okay, I think we can do much better. Do we have the energy, guys? Yes. Perfect, that's number 2. Number 3, our sessions are known to be very high on fun. Are we here to have fun, guys? Yes. Can we say loudly say that? Are we here to have fun? Yes. Perfect. Now guys, to kickstart this session, my general rate, I've been doing this for the last 7 years. I won the Asian Debating Championship. That's when I discovered that public speaking is my passion. I've been doing this for the last 8 years now. Since the last 8 years, every year I've done minimum 200 sessions in a year. It's the first time in the last 8 months that we have been forced not to do a session. It's my first session in the last 8 months. So I'm absolutely raring to go. And I want that energy from each and every person. When I was getting ready today and I was wearing my clothes, I discovered how I absolutely love doing this, and I was missing this for the last 6 months. What I realized is that whatever your passion is, that no amount of money, no amount of success, nothing can substitute the sheer journey of doing that thing for you. In the last 6 months, we were forced to do other things. Our sessions turned virtual, and we made decent amount of money on that. But no amount of money can substitute the sheer thrill of going on the stage for me.